Hey friends, let me ask you something. Do you have an apple gigantic like this? It says, I am eating an apple. Yummy. Run. I am running in the garden. I am running fast. Can you run fast? If you do, then smash the subscribe button. I am jumping high. Can you jump high? That you can reach the sky? If you can, then smash that like button. I am sleeping on the bed. Wow, what are you dreaming of? Are you dreaming of subscribing to Noor Joy? If you are, then tell me. I am dancing happily. Wow, I am running faster than the dog, but the dog is faster than me. I'm eating an apple so I can stay healthy. If you like eating apples, then you will share this video, okay friend? Now, if you have an apple like this, tell me so we can make a video about it. I am sleeping on the bed with my teddy. I am dancing happily. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Can you dance happily? If you can, then smash the like button. I am playing with the ball. I am playing ball with Doraemon. I am climbing up the tree to save Jerry from Tom. I am reading a book with Mickey about a mouse named Mickey who is sitting next to me reading his book. I am reading a book. I am swimming in the pool with SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Don't melt in the water. Don't absorb it. I am drawing a picture with Minnie Mouse. I'm drawing a picture which has a house. Look, this kid is just like you, cutie. I am eating ice cream, but it looks like we're eating cheese from a pizza. I'm eating an ice cream, but careful not to get stained. I am running faster than the dog. Running to the subscribe button. Action words learn with fun. I hope you guys had fun and subscribe. Bye.